Turning now to the extreme weather slamming the East Coast, bringing dangerous flooding, mudslides, and destruction to multiple states. Officials saying one person was killed in Connecticut and a second person is missing after they were swept away by the current. With more rain on the way, ABC's Lionel Moise has the latest.
The Northeast bracing for more flooding after getting slammed overnight.
There's a lot of washed out roadways. A lot of trees are falling. The soil's very loose and obviously wet.
Good Samaritans helping this man and his dog after his car got stuck. Nearly a foot of rain falling in western Connecticut.
This water is at least 4 to 5 feet high.
Streets and sidewalks turning into rivers.
Car shut down because it sensed the water, and unfortunately I was in the process of just backing right out of it.
Rescuers rushing to save dozens of drivers trapped in the flooding. In Oxford, Connecticut, this restaurant inundated while several were taking shelter inside.
Oh, gone. The fence got wrecked. This is the worst I think I've ever seen.
In New Jersey, a major highway brought to a standstill by a half a foot of rain. Forecasters say the heavy rain is not related to Hurricane Ernesto. The storm, well out in the Atlantic, still affecting the East Coast with life-threatening rip currents and high surf. Swimming at New York City beaches banned over the weekend and again today due to a threat of dangerous rip currents.
Oh my God!
And in North Carolina, the storm surge from Hurricane Ernesto causing this home to collapse right into the Atlantic. Scientists say human-induced climate change is making weather events more intense and more frequent, with heavier rainfall and flood risks. In the Northeast, extreme precipitation events have increased by nearly 60% in recent decades. Lionel Moise, ABC News, New York.